What's up, guys? Here's an update on my 280Z that was perfectly running. I'm swapping the l28et, taking this one out that it was rebuilt. I'm currently working on disconnecting everything and pulling the engine. So yeah, guys, it's a really sunny day, 90 degrees. I'm still working on cleaning the block up. I bought some oven cleaner. I'm still deciding whether to go order something that's relatively close to the dots in blue, like my motor that's in here, or go with something more up to date as far as the silver. Because the blue, I remember I ordered some blue for the last motor I wanted to swap, which I ended up selling, and then I bought this one. It was not blue at all. It came out like very teal greenish, which I was not feeling. As far as this, I removed the radiator. We will no longer be using the stock fan clutch, as I'm gonna have the intercooler piping. So I'm gonna have to, well, I already have it, the electronic fan. Obviously that's the stock manifold with everything. Stock turbo, stock downpipe. But yes, I disconnected everything. I'll take the cover off in a few. But right now I'm about to pull this out, take off the alternator, as I'm gonna use my stock one. Gonna most likely remove all of this on this side to make sure I can clean it up really nice. I'll keep you posted. I'm supposed to spray this off, right? Every read instruction. Do not believe the 3 minutes deep clean. That is not it. You have to read the back. It only works if you have the engine or the oven hot already at 200 degrees, which obviously the engine is out the car, so we can't get it hot. So this is the instruction that we need to read. Steps to the 5, at least 20 minutes. For heavier, let it stay overnight for 8 hours or longer. Okay, so since it's very hot and it's 92 degrees, I'm about to spray this and let it sit. I'll keep you guys posted.